Yeah, so it is, I don't know, what time is it?
6:48.
6:48. The lights went out, so yay. It's about 20 something degrees outside. I don't know. We'll see how the rest of the night goes. And yeah, it's all part of the fun, right? What are you doing, Jace? What are you doing? How do you feel about it being so dark? Are you scared?
I like dark.
Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared of dark with monsters.
The monsters? What monsters?
They're in the cave with monsters and monsters. No. What?
Hey, Liam. Liam, what are you doing?
What is he doing?
Yep, there we go. They start fighting over an iPad. Anyways, we'll see how the rest of the night goes.
God. Snowing up there. I can't see it with my eyes.
It's okay, give it some time.
We cannot go over there.
Yeah, that's why I bought you the stuff so you could play outside.
I can play over there. I can play over there.
I bought you the stuff so you could play. Look outside. Look. What is it?
The sun's coming back?
Yeah. Sort of.
But I want to go play the snow back over there.
What's that, Leo? What's that? It's snow. Uh-huh. What's that? It's snow. It's snow. Snow. Is it snow? Yes, there's snow. 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 Uh-huh. No. Wow. First one you're gonna put this on.
Oh, that's mine.
Kids are huge. Go.
Thank you. I like to say. Where you going? Where you going? Hey! Where you going? Hey! Where you going? Hey! Where you going? So hello, Camp Fams. So we're here to play snow, and always why you're excited, and we're here to play, and eat, we're hungry, and you play outside, do anything you want. And there's a bird up here, flying around. Olita,
Huh?
I saw a bird.
Really?
It was right there and it
Where?
left. I saw it right there. It was right there outside.
Oh.
And it left. So, and the bird went away. and that's why. And the batteries almost got out. So I hope you enjoyed playing. Bye.
Whoa.
Oh, let me do it.
And then you throw it. Look at this. Make a snowman. Look, it's a snow angel. Good times, huh? I mean, this is the nice thing about winter is look at the sky. It's beautiful.
¿Tiene ojos? Ah, no tiene los ojos ahí.
Daddy, puedes.
¿Ah?
Ahora puedes.
GoPro turn on back screen.
Ah, mira, ya quedó.
Massages? That's cool, huh? Stand next to it. Say cheese. Take a picture. You go on this side, Peter. That is awesome. Whoa. Huh? Look at this, Chase. Well, we're just looking right now. It's all wet and icy. Tell me,
Can I go play?
tell me what's this? What do you see, Papa?
Oh, no. Why is it hard?
Hmm?
Why is it hard?
It's ice. Guys, you're gonna fall. I mean, when do we see this? It's crazy. Little icicles. Icicles. So, what did we do today? Tell them what we do.
We do snowman.
A snowman? What else? You rode your bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
It was really slippery.
Yes.
So this is... What are you doing, Jeff? Alright, watch out. What happened? You slipped? Careful. You see this? Look. You see this? This means it's ice. Right here. And look at this. No ice, ice. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. No ice, ice. If you see this, slow down. There you go. There you go. Good job. Yeah, so we're cooking some chicken. It's really freaking cold outside. Crystal, yep. It's a little outdoor, whatever, warmer.
Thanks, Paul.
Ghettoized it, put a gas, or I mean a charcoal, the grill, whatever, at the bottom that holds the coals, and just use that. So see, we're still eating good. It's just cold, very, very cold, especially in the house. It's probably, I don't know, I would say 50 degrees, but that's how cold it would be when we'd go camping and spend the night in a tent. So I guess that taught us a lot on how to sleep cold and bundle up, right? But yeah. So, update. We finally got electricity, thankfully. So Crystal's giving the kids a shower. We're taking advantage and charging everything that we can, especially the battery packs, and you know, just trying to get some food up. But it's been quite an experience. It's supposed to snow overnight tonight, which if it does, yeah, but it's supposed to rain also, which is going to be even more dangerous. But yeah, hopefully everything works out. We have electricity now. It's supposed to be for a couple hours only. Hopefully it does last through the night at least, or somewhat, you know, through the night. But you know, we take it as it comes. We have water, we have food, so that's all covered. Besides that, I mean, we built a snowman, which was Jason's first snowman. It was my first, or not my first, but it's the first snowman I've made in a long time, about 21 years since we lived in Indiana. So yeah, I mean, we have as much fun as we can with what we have. Always staying safe, but yeah, we'll see.
No, you're not going out.
Cuidado.
Cuidado. No. Yeah. No, yeah.
It is 6:10 or so, and our electricity went out. Our electricity went out, so here we are again.
Right on the dot.
Liam, what you doing?
What did you say with that picture? Or is that 3D?
I mean, wait, careful.
Ew. Stop touching it.
Shaggy, what's happening? Are these kids driving you crazy? Stop, Chase.
What are you doing? Rah.
The Thunder Sisters. Yeah, Shaggy. It's Shaggy. Yeah. The beach. Shaggy's resting. Yeah, Shaggy.
Look, he listened to me.
Mm-hmm. We'll see what 2021 has in store. Hopefully no more surprises. But we do have a surprise coming around July. We'll keep you guys up to date on that. No pregnancy reveal or anything like that. Something a little bit more exciting.